Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by installing Openkeychain and granting required permissions. Once done, open the app and choose Create Key. You must enter your name and email, pick a secure key size, 4096 for long-term security, and set an unmistakable passphrase. Make sure to enable and perform an encrypted export backup right after creation. This protects you if the device is lost. You do this now because a generated key is the only identity Openkeychain uses to encrypt and sign messages for you. Once you have a key, share only the public portion. Export to a file, send via secure channel, or display a QR for scanning. You will import recipients' public keys into Openkeychain, use QR scanning for phones, or import files for desktop transfers. Make sure you verify key fingerprints directly with contacts, because trusting a key is how Openkeychain avoids man-in-the-middle attacks. Then set your default usages for that key and confirm expiration settings to prevent accidental use of expired keys. You finish by encrypting messages. Choose Share, pick Openkeychain, select recipients and whether to sign. When you receive encrypted mail, open the attachment or use the Openkeychain intent to decrypt. Type your passphrase and check the signature status. Make a protected offline backup of your private key and generate a revocation certificate now. Store it separate from your device. Troubleshooting tip. If decryption fails, verify the right private key is present. Check app permissions, ensure system time sync, and confirm the sender used your current public key.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.